Good morning, dear children. I once again welcome you all to the class. Children, we are doing chapter number 7 in English grammar book. Okay, that is possession, nouns, possession. So let us continue the work. So children, we were doing chapter number 7, possession. Okay, possession means possessed by somebody. Possessed by somebody, owned by somebody. Who is that somebody? We are talking about nouns, okay? Things that are owned by somebody. So we did few exercises in the last class, okay? These examples I had already discussed in the last class. This is page number 21 of your grammar book, okay? And this was the exercise that we did in the last class. Now children, to further explain you this topic more clearly, I am going to use some more examples, so you all pay attention, okay? Now look here children. Look here in this copy. Suppose you have to put apostrophe sign, okay, and you have to write this line in another way. I told you in the last class that the bag of Rohan can be written in another way as Rohan's bag, okay? And Rohan's bag we put apostrophe. This is the sign of apostrophe children, okay? Whenever the noun is singular, when we are talking about one person, जब एक person के बारे में बात करते हैं, in that case children we put apostrophe and s after that. Are you following what I am saying? Okay, let me show you one rule. Look here children. The nouns that are singular, in that case, how do we put apostrophe sign? In this manner, apostrophe and s. Remember children, very very important. If the noun is singular, तुम लोग apostrophe के बाद s लगाओगे, okay? And if the noun is plural, then only apostrophe sign you will add after the noun. Let us see one example so that you understand more clearly. Suppose you have to put apostrophe sign in this word Rohan. Rohan is a name, it is a noun. So Rohan, when we have to put apostrophe sign, it is a singular word, right? Name of one person. So one means singular, more than one, plural. तो one person's name is here, तो हम लोग apostrophe and s लगाएंगे, okay? Look at the second example, toy. Toy is also singular, one toy. So when we are changing this by putting apostrophe sign, we write toy apostrophe s, okay? But if the noun is plural, like see this example children, number 3, birds, birds. When it is having s, it means it is plural. Plural I have taught you in the last class. Plural means more than one. एक से ज़्यादा nouns को plural बोलते हैं. So we have a plural word here, birds. So here plural word is written. So in plural word we will only add apostrophe sign. फिर से s दोबारा नहीं लिखना है. That is wrong. Okay, s is already there. See? S is already there. We don't need to put another s after apostrophe. So this way you have to do. Okay. The next example. Look children. Dolls. Again dolls is a plural word. You can see in dolls s is there. It is a plural word. So again we will only add apostrophe sign. We will not write s. Next, teacher. Now teacher is a singular word. One teacher. So when it is singular, we write apostrophe and s. Okay, these rules you have to remember children. Last example, girls. 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 Girls is a plural word because s is here. So children, we write apostrophe just after s here outside, okay? So these are the two rules. For singular, you have to write apostrophe and s. And if the word is plural, only apostrophe sign. Okay. Some more examples that will make your concept clear. Okay. Just a minute children. Okay, look at this. The bag of Rohan. We can write it as Rohan's bag. Okay. The name of the boy. It can be written as the boy's name, because here Rohan, boy, both are singular words. So singular we write apostrophe and S. This pen belongs to Rima. So this is Rima's pen. This line can be written in another way as this is Rima's pen. Next is the hair of Seema. Again one person. So Seema's apostrophe and S, hair. Next is the nest of the bird. Again bird is singular. So the bird's nest. Okay. Look at the next question, children. The wings of the birds. Now children, see, the wings of the birds, S is here. Can you see, children? S. This is a plural word. So the bird's wings, we only add apostrophe sign here. Okay, outside birds. Next question. A hockey team of girls. So we write a girls hockey team, and apostrophe will be here outside. Okay, S. Only apostrophe. We will not write another S here. Next one. The cage of birds. So it will be the bird's cage. Birds, again you put apostrophe sign outside. Last example. She studies in a school for girls. So we write she studies in a girls school. Now here girls is plural, so we are writing only apostrophe. Okay, school, full stop. So this way, children, you have to do, you have to put apostrophe, seeing the nature whether the word is singular or plural. Let us come to one exercise given in your grammar book. Now this is the question number B, page number 22. Insert apostrophes at the correct places. Now children, I have written the answer along, okay, here at the side also, so that it is clear to you in the video. Okay, here I have mentioned the apostrophe sign, and I have also written here, so that it is clearly visible to you, children. So here one more thing you have to take note, children. In this question, singular and plural words are mixed and given. You have to carefully identify if it is a singular word, how are you going to put apostrophe sign? You know that. If the word is talking about plural, then how are you going to put apostrophe? That also I have explained you. So in this question, both singular and plural questions are mixed and given. So let us see the first one. The first one is, the boys' notebooks are on the table. Now how are we going to know whether it is a singular word or plural word? Children, I am saying once again, you understand what I am saying? That here singular plural both are given. Singular plural दोनों दिया हुआ है. सिंगुलर में भी हम लोग apostrophe s लगाते हैं, प्लूरल में s पहले से होता है. हम लोगों का क्या छूट गया है? वी हैव टू ओनली इंसर्ट apostrophe sign, apostrophe, a small punctuation mark. यही बस लगाना है और कुछ नहीं. ओके, नाउ लेट अस सी द फर्स्ट वन. वंस अगेन आई एम गोइंग टू रीड. द बॉयज नोटबुक्स आर ऑन द टेबल. Now here we are talking about one boy or many boys. How are we going to know that? Look here at this word, are. The boys' notebooks are on the table. Children, in class 2 I have taught you, are we put with plural words and is हम लोग लगाते हैं singular words के साथ, right? So the boys' notebooks are on the table clearly states that we are talking about plural word, that is boys. So if the word is plural boys, we are going to put apostrophe outside. यहाँ पे बाहर में लगाएंगे. Okay. See number 2 is, this is my aunt's room. Now here is written. Is used with singular nouns. Is हम लोग हमेशा singular के साथ use करते हैं. So children, wherever you see is, it states it is singular in nature, and in any question if you see are is written, clearly you have to understand that we are talking about plurals. Okay, plural words. Next is, this is my aunt's room. Whose room? My aunt's room. So aunt apostrophe s. Here apostrophe sign is missing, children, in all the questions. You have to just put apostrophe sign in the correct places. Monkeys' tails are very long. Now children, see, monkeys. So we will not write monkeys in this manner. यहाँ पे apostrophe not like this. See, I am writing and show you. If you write monkeys like this, apostrophe s, it is wrong, because here we are not talking about one monkey. See, monkey's tails. One monkey will not have many tails. That means we are talking about plural monkey. So it is a plural word. So when it is plural, the apostrophe will be put after s. Okay, here. Are you following, children? The
next fourth one is, some boys wore girls' clothes for the dance. So here, girls, we are talking about some boys, more than one boy here. Okay, plural word. And they wore girls' clothes for the dance. So GIRLS, girls, and then you put apostrophe sign. Okay.
Next is, this is Kanika's favorite television show. It is whose favorite television show? Kanika's. Kanika is name of one girl. So singular, so apostrophe and s you write. Apostrophe and s. Next is, my father's father is my grandfather. So my father's, whose father we are talking about? My father's father. So here apostrophe and s. Number 7, I am wearing my sister's shoes. Whose shoes are you wearing? Your sister's. So apostrophe and s. Singular, apostrophe and s. It is Rajat's robot. Rajat is name of one boy. Okay. So s is already there, but the apostrophe sign is missing. So you write apostrophe and s. Children, here singular, plural both are mixed and given. Okay, so don't get confused. Looking at this question, don't get confused. It is Rajat's robot. You see s hai to plural, and no. Here singular, plural, all the questions are mixed and given. You have to just put the apostrophe sign in the correct place. You have to see very carefully whether the sentence is talking about singular or plural. Okay, like that. So this much you do, children, and with this we complete this chapter. You study, follow the rules, follow what I have shown you in the examples. I think that is more than enough. This is a bit confusing, so don't worry, children. The examples that I have discussed in the copy, that is enough for you to understand clearly. Okay, so study and practice. We'll meet in the next class with a new topic. Thank you, children.